Do people understand how batteries work? I don't think so. My name is Victor Wancha. I've been here with the company for 25 years now, looking at new directions that we want to go with simulation technologies. And the latest one is battery, thermo, electrochemistry, swelling coupled behavior. It's a massive effort by many researchers, very clever people that are trying to push the limits, and it's only a matter of a few years, I would think, where this next push comes along. We have these electrodes. One is called the anode, the other one is called the cathode. In the middle, typically there's a piece that's a electric insulator that allows for certain ions to go through, but not for electrons, to avoid short circuit. But the idea is that if you can imagine a battery in a schematic type sense, it's like a tennis match. When you see the tennis ball going from left to right, from right to left, that's what lithium ions do in lithium ion batteries in a charging and discharging type process, obviously at a much slower scale. So when you do a battery, a very important aspect in batteries is the so-called life, or the ability to discharge a battery over many cycles, hundreds at least, if not thousands. If we can speed up that kind of prediction via simulation, you can reduce experiments that could last 6 to 9 months to a day worth of simulation, helping with accelerating design and assessing the viability of certain choices as far as cell construction is concerned. If we can come up with models that are very predictive that way would be a gigantic gain in terms of accelerating the timeline of a development of a product. Batteries is the most fascinating multi-physics, multi-scale. Yeah, it's a little bit of a geeky phrase, multi-physics, multi-scale, but it's impressive how many things you need to account in the same time in order to be predictive for something that's seemingly that big. And otherwise it does not move, it doesn't rattle, it doesn't blink. It's an extremely complex product where multiple physics and multiple scales, from atomistic to tens of millimeters, if not more, play together in a very complex sense. Fascinating topic.